Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this chicken and red beans recipe. So let's see what ingredients we will need for this recipe. I have 3 chicken breasts that I have soaked in a vinegar and water solution and rinsed under cool running water. I'm going to dice each chicken breast into medium pieces and remove the fat around the chicken. For my seasonings, I'm starting off with some garlic powder, some onion powder, some seasoning salt, some dry basil, some parsley, and lastly some all-bay seasoning.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me.
My next ingredients are 2 green onions as well as half of an onion. For my next step, I'm finely chopping the 2 green onions as well as the half of onion. Next, I'm adding my finely chopped green onions and my finely chopped half an onion over my seasoned chicken. I'm using a spatula to mix all my ingredients evenly. Next, I'm lightly sprinkling some seasoning salt as well as some all-bay seasoning. I'm mixing in those 2 ingredients, then I'm going to set my bowl aside for about 20 minutes. Whilst my chicken is marinating, I'm going to preheat about a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in a large pan on medium heat. Now that my oil is ready, I'm going to add my seasoned chicken and give it a quick stir, and I'm going to allow it to cook until my chicken is slightly brown. I'm going to stir my chicken occasionally to make sure that my chicken is fully cooked. In the meantime, I'm going to drain 1 can of kidney beans into a bowl. I'm going to set the juice from the beans aside to use later in my recipe. My chicken is finally done. Now I'm going to add some chopped parsley. I use my hands, but you can also use a knife to chop your parsley. I'm also adding my drained beans. Next, I'm adding half a pack of sazon. Then I'm adding 3 teaspoons of tomato paste. And then I'm going to use my spatula to mix all my ingredients together.
This is the new world you told me lightly. Oh, and how could it end? Let it fall in my lifetime.
I'm also sprinkling some paprika over my chicken, and I'm going to pour the juice from the beans over my chicken. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of coconut milk. Then I'm going to use my spatula and mix all the ingredients together and bring my pot to a boil.
Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you. Tear myself in the silence, who knows if I'll even remember you. Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you. Tear myself in the silence, who knows if I'll even remember you.
While my chicken and beans are cooking, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of frozen bell peppers and onion, and I'm going to reduce my heat. After my first taste test, it needed a little bit of salt and some heat, so I added a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm giving it a quick stir, and I'm going to allow it to cook for an extra 5 minutes. I wish you guys were here. These beans smells amazing. Look how thick the sauce came out, just like I wanted it to. I served my mouth-watering chicken and red beans over some homemade yellow rice. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get to stay.